anybody else who's about ready to go home.
I just wanna go where I'm only breathing your air. Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there.
I wanna see him.
I just wanna see you
Yeah.
brighter than I'm used to. Finally see it clear. Take me there, take me there, take me there.
Yeah. Tell me, have you ever seen her? Brother so weighted, you can tell by his demeanor that he's really jaded, trying to get out this arena. He longed for something greater, but they say he's just a dreamer. But he has a treasure that he holds like gold, cause he knows something that the boys don't know. Nothing seems funny when his money's so low, but when he thinks about that place, man, he really wants to go. Then he ain't all obsessed with the cash he can stack, cause he's looking to the heavens where his master is at. But he does have treasure and he's storing it up. Seems foreign to us, it can't be stolen to us. So when the cares of this world start weighing on him hard, and he's tired of them bills he been paying on his car, he can't wait to be embraced by the Lord face to face. So he waits for his reward and he sings,
I just wanna go.
go.
I'm only breathing your air.
Come on.
Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there.
And he sings,
I just wanna see
I wanna
you
see.
brighter than I'm used to.
Come on.
Finally see it clear. Take me there, take me there, take me there. Yeah.
Tell me, have you ever seen her? She's sick with a disease and it's really trying to beat her. It's taking all her strength, she knows that it can't defeat her, cause she gon' be with Jesus. She's more than just a dreamer. Her peace and her joy, man, they really ain't gone. It's all because she knows earth really